Now, electron microscope offers a better resolution. Why? Because electron microscope uses a shorter wave of radiation, that is electron. So electron wavelength is shorter, so that's why it is better. Now, in this question, it is asked to calculate the strength of solution used, right? And a specific rotation given, wavelength given, okay? And sugar solution length is given. So and a specific rotation is unit is decimeter. So first of all, sugar solution length we will convert into, this is the length of the sugar solution, let it be I. So 20 centimeter, it will be equals to 2 decimeter, and the formula for concentration is equals to theta upon I alpha, where alpha is a specific rotation. If you plug all the value, you will get the answer will be 0.1, and it will be equals to 10%. Now, in this question, the magnitude of conducting loop is equals to the rate of which magnetic fields changes with the time. This is also true. In a conducting plane, plate moves out of the magnetic field. So if we move out of the magnetic field, then also flux changes. So conductor induced current, that is also true. So both are the true. First option is correct. Which of the following statement given are true? Okay, so dipole has its least potential energy when its momentum is lined with the electric field. This is true. Okay, because U is equals to minus P dot E. When dipole is lined with the electric field, it is energy will be minimum, that is equals to minus P into A. So this is true. And then uniform electric field, net force on the dipole is 0. This is also true. So option 4 is the correct. Now, in this question, it is asked the electric potential inside the conductor is constant. Yes, electric potential inside the condition is constant. True. And the net charge density of the conductor is 0. Yes, electric field inside the conductor is 0 because all the charge in the conductor resides on the surface. Okay, and the net charge density inside the conductor is 0. So this is also true. So, and correct explanation. So option 1 is the correct one. Now, in this question, we have to calculate the units. So for inductance, we have this formula. Inductance is L is equals to d phi by dt, right? And phi is nothing but magnetic field B into A, right, upon T. L is equals to d phi by dt, right? So, and d phi by di, right? So meter square upon ampere, right? So final answer is will be magnetic unit for magnetic field will be Tesla meter square ampere inverse. Tesla meter square ampere inverse. A2 correct, right? And magnetic permeability, if you will calculate C magnetic permeability, you will get this one, right? So option first is the correct. Magnetic energy will be fourth one. So first option is the correct answer. Now, in this question, the concept of displacement current, which Maxwell laws introduced it. So Maxwell laws for the fourth Maxwell law, del cross B is equals to mu naught J vector plus epsilon naught mu naught d del E by del T. This formula we know that. So this is the displacement current. So fourth law of the Maxwell law introduced this one. So fourth law. And this is the very easy question. We just have to calculate the potential at point P. So suppose this is potential to this charge is V1, this charge is V2, and this charge is V3 at point P. So V1 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 12 times 10 to the power of minus 19 over r. What is distance here? Distance will be you can use the Pythagoras theorem. This is 3, this is 5, so this is 4. So 4, right? This is V1. V2 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 18 10 to the power of minus 9 nanocoulomb, na? Minus 10 to the power of minus 9 over, and the distance is 3, right? 3 meter. Similarly, V3 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 6 over, and distance is also 3. 6 into 10 to the power of minus 9 because it is given in nanocoulomb. And you will just add all these charges, V1 plus V2 plus V3, and you will get the answer. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Calculate and add everything, you will get the answer. Now magnetic field inside the loop, right? Inside the long wire. So inside the long wire, magnetic field is directly proportional to the radius, and outside is inversely proportional to radius. So it is asking inside, so directly proportional with R.